In a world of speed limits and caution, there is a beast that laughs at the wind, one that dares the horizon to move faster. This is the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa. And it's not just a motorcycle, it's a legend reborn, faster, sharper, and more intelligent than ever. Since 1999, the Hayabusa has held the crown for those who dare to challenge the air itself, and in 2026, Suzuki has engineered it to do just that with absolute dominance. Let's talk power first. The new Hayabusa roars with a refined 1,400 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, now tuned to deliver an even smoother, sharper torque curve while retaining that raw, explosive power you expect when the throttle is twisted. It's pushing around 200 horsepower, but it's not about numbers alone, it's about how it delivers them. Because in the 2026 Hayabusa, power delivery feels like a well-trained samurai swing, clean, precise, and deadly when needed. Suzuki's ride-by-wire throttle system and multiple drive modes let you control this power with the flick of a button, allowing you to unleash fury on the track or cruise in complete control through city streets. And let's talk about the aerodynamics, because it matters when you're slicing through the air at over 300 km/h. The 2026 Hayabusa's design is sleeker, with subtle lines that channel airflow around your body, reducing drag while adding stability. The LED lighting sharpens its predator-like face, while the redesigned rear tail section speaks speed even when the bike is standing still. But it's not just about going fast in a straight line anymore. The 2026 Hayabusa features a fully adjustable electronic suspension, letting you dial in your ride whether you're carving mountain roads or launching down the drag strip. Brembo Stylema brakes now come standard, biting down with confidence and providing precise control, even under high-speed braking. And yes, the electronics package is finally what we've wanted from Suzuki. A 6-axis IMU governs traction control, cornering ABS, wheelie control, launch control, and engine braking control, giving you total command of this beast whether you're a seasoned pro or stepping into the world of hypersport bikes for the first time. Climb onto the 2026 Hayabusa, and the first thing you'll notice is how it blends tradition with modern demands. The analog speedometer and tachometer remain, paying homage to its roots, but they are now paired with a full-color TFT display providing navigation, ride analytics, and even smartphone connectivity for calls and music. It's a cockpit designed for those who live to ride but don't want to leave the world behind. And here's what truly makes the 2026 Hayabusa exciting in today's motorcycle scene. In an era where many manufacturers are cutting down on displacement, Suzuki has doubled down, giving enthusiasts a motorcycle that is unfiltered yet refined, wild yet controllable, and stunningly comfortable even on longer rides. The riding position is aggressive but not punishing, the seat plush enough for your lower back, and the handlebars positioned so you can tackle corners with confidence without feeling like your wrists are being crushed on longer journeys. But owning a Hayabusa has always been more than owning a fast bike. It's a statement. It's about joining a family of riders who understand the rush of hitting the red line, the thunder of the engine echoing through empty roads at dawn, the deep breath before rolling the throttle and watching the world blur around you. The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa is not just a return of a legend. It's a message to the world that true performance motorcycles still exist, that the thrill of raw speed can coexist with cutting-edge technology, and that Suzuki understands what riders truly want in a hypersport machine. In a world rapidly shifting towards electrification, restrictions, and the fading echo of combustion engines, the Hayabusa stands as a symbol of resistance for petrolheads, reminding us that the joy of riding should never be diluted. It is not just about going fast, it's about the connection you feel every time you hear that engine fire up, every time you downshift and the world crackles, and every time you lean into a corner, trusting that this machine will carry you through with stability and grace. If you have ever dreamed of riding the fastest, of owning a piece of motorcycling history, the 2026 Hayabusa calls to you. It's the last of a dying breed, and yet, it feels like the first chapter of a new era. So here's the question. Are you ready to tame the Hayabusa, or will you let it pass you by as just another legend you'll never experience? Because the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa is not waiting. It's moving, fast, into the future, and you can either watch it go, or you can grab the handlebars, twist the throttle, and become a part of the story.